Hello everyone, let's see how to delete thousands of rows in second in Excel. So here you can see I have data with the 271 row. You can see, I show you here. You can see 271 is the last row number. So normally when you delete the multiple row, you just drag the row number. So 8 to 12 here, select it and right click on the mouse and click on the delete it. Now here I'm going to delete row number 11 to row number 251. Okay. So for that, press the shortcut key Control plus V. And here the go to dialog box is open. You can press here the another shortcut key also F5. So I just close this and I show you. I press here the F5 only. Here the go to dialog box is open. Now in the reference, just enter the row number. So I enter here 11, add the colon here, and I'm going to delete 11 to 251. Okay. And after that, I click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see 11 to 251 row here only selected. Scroll you can see 251. So all row here selected. After that, simply right click on the any row number. So just right click on it and click on the delete and it's done. You can see the selected row here deleted. So this is the way you can delete thousands of rows in Excel in second. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.